Going on, guys? Working on a 5-ton Rheem split system. Got bad weather outside. About to check temperature split real quick. Make sure what's going on. This place is vacant. The maintenance man came in and said he found the unit iced up yesterday. I found it at set point. It was reading 72 at set point. So I just buried her, turned it on right now. And I'm gonna see what's going on. Condensate pump is working. I just popped in a new filter, did find the plug filter. So I'm about to check the temperature split, guys. First, I'm gonna check in my return. First thing I'm checking for the delta T, guys, if you don't know what that is, formula for that is supply minus return. And your delta T should be between 14 and 20. Unit's fully operational. Got a new filter in. I gotta get this cabinet cleaned out though. Pretty dusty in here. Sure there's no water in the auxiliary flow. Bone dry. You see everything is good, guys, with the supply minus return. That formula lets me know if I have a high delta T, if I'm above, like I told you, the split should be between 14 to 20. So if I'm above 20, that means I have airflow issues. And if I'm below, I could be low on refrigerant or other multiple causes. As of now, look at this filter. This was the cause, and this thing is leaking dust everywhere. So let me get this up out of here. And yes, guys, that's the reason why the unit iced up. So yes, you do have to keep up with your maintenance. If your filters are looking like this is what you're breathing in, and that's what's gonna happen. Have a good one, guys.